Horizons. Here, I'll click on Horizons. And as you can see, I have many different websites with Horizons. Now, Horizons is essentially vibe coding. So you can make websites using AI generated code. Here, I'll click on Add Websites, and I'll just walk you through this. Now, let's say, for example, you want to create AI generated websites. Now, scrolling down, you'll see that they already offer templates for you. So these are all made with vibe coding. So this is not WordPress. And they have a really cool selection to go with. So they have applications, they have websites, they have tools, but let's just go ahead and make one from scratch. So here under the prompt, let's just create a portfolio website. So create me a portfolio website. So create me a portfolio website that is minimal and sleek. And I'll go ahead and run this prompt. And just like that, we now have a website that was created for us using vibe coding. Now here we have our featured projects where we have, just different projects where you can upload the images and, you can fully customize and adjust this by clicking on edit content. And then you can go ahead and adjust every single part of your AI websites. Scrolling down, we have our About Me section, we have some upsells, and then we have a contact form here at the bottom. Now at the top, we have this publish where you can actually publish this on a live domain. So if you click on publish, you can actually create a temporary website and then publish it to a live domain. Next, you'll see you can use a temporary domain or connect this to a custom domain. Now, I'm not gonna go too far into the Hostinger Horizons because I actually have a separate video right here. If you do want to learn more about Hostinger Horizons and running different prompts and getting really advanced with this vibe coding tool, I'll go ahead and leave this video in the video description. So that is pretty much it for this Hostinger tutorial. If you do have any questions about Hostinger, let me know in the comments below. As you can tell, they have a lot of tools at your disposal.